In this video, we're going to go over setting up filters in Google Analytics. In this case, we're going to do an IP filter. So we're going to go down to Admin and Filters, Add Filter. And so we're going to name this Office IP. So this is good for if you have a lot of people internally going to your website that are in Office. That way you can exclude this and weed them out of your data that we have nice, clean data. So after we name it, we're going to pick the filter type, which is exclude traffic from the IP address that are equal to. And if you don't know what your IP address is, you can just go over to Google and type in what's my IP, and it will tell you. And so once we have that, we will just highlight it and copy and head back over to Analytics and paste that in there and hit save. That is how you set up filters in Google Analytics.